A wood manufacturing and finishing apprentice is involved in a wide variety of roles. While here at ATU Connemara, the apprentices we have at the moment are in phase 4, so they're about halfway along in their apprenticeship. At the moment they're working on creating furniture pieces, and that includes starting maybe with setting it out, drawing, planning the project, breaking out timber, creating their cutting lists, and they would go through to the actual manufacture of the piece itself. Through that they would learn many of the skills necessary within the role of a wood manufacturer and finisher. They get to use and learn how to use competently, safely the woodworking machinery I have here, but there's also quite an onus on the hand skills, on drawing and on different roles that would help them in the working world and when they go back to their employer and later on in their careers when they're a fully qualified wood manufacturer and finisher. Also, you would have people who might decide to go down the route more of in a management role, or they might decide that they'd like to set up their own business. And then a degree might be a very good starting point or foundation stone in going on that journey.
I was attracted to the wooden manufacturing and finishing apprenticeship due to it being based within woodworking parameters. I personally love the woodworking field. It is something that I've always had an interest in, and to be able to work within that I felt was going to be something that I would really enjoy. So that's what made me choose this apprenticeship. I get experience in machines and different woodworking techniques and processes that I wouldn't usually get in my own workshop, and it's a fantastic experience to be able to see how different machines work and get the experience on those machines. The thing that I am enjoying most about being a part of this apprenticeship program is having teachers and lecturers that are of extremely high quality, something that is immense when you're trying to learn the trade. You get to work with all different types of machinery that in my own workshop I would not generally get to use because we don't do some of the finer aspects of timber work. But now that I am a student at ATU, I'm getting experience with all of those different machines and different woodworking techniques that I wouldn't have been able to do before.